And people everywhere are not only looking for braiders just to deliver a style, they're looking for braiders to offer an experience, and that could be you. What's going on, exclusive gang? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bird. I am your Braidpreneur bestie, here to help you take your braiding hobby into a braiding business. And today's video is just about that, how to start your braiding business in 2025. Excuse the background and the noise. My kids are home from school today since there was a snowstorm the other day, but we're going to get this video started anyway. So grab a pen and paper. Meet me in my living room. Let's go. It is 2025 and you've been on the fence about going full time with your braiding business. So I'm here to tell you to get off that fence, sis, and it's time to start your dreams. I'm going to break it all down to you how to start, grow, and scale your business in 2025. Now, you saying to yourself, why 2025 to start my business? Well, the beauty industry ain't going nowhere. It's just getting larger. People everywhere are not only looking for braiders just to deliver a style, they're looking for braiders to offer an experience, and that could be you. So whether you're just starting out or you already have a clientele base started, let's go ahead and scale that business this year. And plus, it only goes up from here because you're the boss. You get to set your own hours, set your own vibe, and yes, you guessed it, set your own price. Now, how do you get started, you ask? Step one, make it official. Now, I know it feels like a lot getting an LLC, a EIN, business bank account, getting your DUNS number. Like, yeah, I get it. It all feels overwhelming and too official, but honey, you're definitely going to want this if you're thinking about having big dreams in the future about your braiding business. So let's go ahead and get that started. Now, if you don't know who to go through to file for your LLC, I did link down below who I went through to file my LLC, and that company is called Inc. Authority. Now, it's free to file your LLC through Inc. Authority, and they have a representative that can walk you through the entire process with ease. They also have options and add-ons to help you keep up with your business and keep you legalized. Now, y'all, I have a small homework assignment for y'all, just a small homework assignment. I want you to open up your Google and I want you to write in. I want you to type in braiding license, and then I want you to put your state. Or you can just go onto your cosmetology and barbers examiner's website for your state and see if they have any type of requirements for braiders. My state, since I'm in Missouri, they require a braiding certification, and they have a course that you have to take in order to get your actual certification to be a braider. Here in the state of Missouri, you don't need a license to wash hair. So if you're a braider and you want to wash hair, you have that option to wash hair. Now, remember that all states are different. Some states don't require a license or certification. Some states do. But either way it goes, your clients should know that they're in good hands before they book. Can I be real for a little bit? Too many of us are out here undercharging for our services. And I get it. You're trying to build your clientele or you're trying to be affordable to people. But let me tell you this, you cannot grow your business if you're barely covering the costs. So let me break it down to you. The price is not just about the hours that you put into that style. It's about the skill set. It's about the materials that you're using. Oh, and let's not forget the expertise and hours that you can put in to get to the level that you are today. And if they can't afford it, then they're just not your client at that time. And if you're really unsure on how to price for your services, I do have an ebook called The Price is the Price, and it breaks down what to include into your price, how to price your services, and how to make a profit. But now we need some clients, right? Where do you find clients at? Girl, they're on the internet. They're looking for you. TikTok and Instagram are your besties. And heck, even here on YouTube is your bestie. I want you to post consistently your work. And consistently does not look the same for everybody. It's not always posting every day. Maybe you want to post twice a week. But when you post, just make sure that it's worth it for your clientele and who you are trying to attract. Just know people book people, not just the service. So when people are booking with you, they're booking you, they're booking your personality, they're booking your vibe. So no more bashing clients on the internet. If you want your client to respect you and your business, it starts with you. So last year, one thing that I did do was when I wanted someone to know something about what I did within my business and how I conduct my business, I made a post about it. And I didn't just blankly say it, but I made it kind of fun. So say for instance, you want people to know that you charge a 20% deposit. You can have a cute video or, like a reel in the background going on, and then text over the screen, you can put when your 20% deposit is well worth it and your client is just like, "Ooh, girl, I love my hair. It's so fire." And something like that. Like that way, you're letting your potential clientele know that you charge a 20% deposit and they can see that it's going to be well worth it because that style that you did, you created an experience for that person and that style look fire. Another thing to make sure that you're attracting the clientele that you actually want is to not just post anything. So if you know for sure that you want to get away from doing children hairstyles and you want to lean more towards the adult hairstyles, stop posting those children hairstyles because you keep posting them, they're going to keep coming. If you don't want to be known for it, don't post it. Now, let's talk about the big picture. You got the clientele, you're legalized, you got a steady stream of income coming in. So now what? Because real success is not just about braiding, it's about building. Now, what I want you to think about is ebooks, affiliate marketing, coursework, one-on-one training. You've got the knowledge, why not share it and get paid? Just know that scaling your business is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And I'm gonna let you know this right now. Hustle culture is over. We're out here building businesses and big brands that will last. Now, sis, 2025 is your year. Yes, I'm claiming it in the name of Jesus. Your skills are valuable, your time is precious, and your dreams are valid. Now, another thing I want you to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I want you to comment below a goal that you have. I want to start talking about this. And since you stayed to the end of this video, don't forget to grab the free braiding business. It's like a tongue twister. Free braiding business checklist. It got everything on there that you need to start your braiding business. Now we're going to make this happen together. I'm going to hold your hand while you do this, okay? Now, until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for tuning in. Bye, guys.